Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and a suction cup. These will help you safely open your device without causing damage. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Insert the plastic prying tool into the seam and slowly work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Once the screen is removed, carefully disconnect the display cable by lifting the connector latch. Be sure to handle this component gently to avoid any damage. With the display cable disconnected, set the screen aside in a safe place. Now, locate the charging port on the motherboard. You'll need to remove a few screws securing the assembly. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take out these screws. Remember to keep them organized, as this will make reassembly easier. After removing the screws, gently pull the old charging port away from the motherboard. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. If you're not comfortable doing this, don't forget that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, just reach out. Once the old charging port is free, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Carefully press it into place until it clicks securely. Before proceeding, ensure everything is aligned properly to avoid future issues. Next, reinsert the screws that you previously removed. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the motherboard. If you find this process daunting, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of going out. After securing the new charging port, it's time to reconnect the display cable. Carefully align the cable with the connector and press down until it clicks into place. This step is crucial for the functionality of your device, so double-check your work. Now, it's time to reattach the screen. Begin by aligning it with the base and gently pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Take your time with this step to ensure a proper fit. Once the screen is secured, you may want to perform a quick internal cleaning to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated during the process. Before finalizing everything, it's a good idea to test your device. Plug in the charger and check if the new port is functioning correctly. If you're unsure or experience any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency throughout the process. Finally, if everything is working as it should, go ahead and power off the device one last time. Secure any remaining screws and make sure that your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB is ready for use. Congratulations on successfully replacing your charging port. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.